Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to see you today. In this video, we will learn English with a method called shadowing. You may ask, what is shadowing? Let me tell you. Shadowing means you listen to someone speaking in English, and you repeat the same words in the same way. This practice helps you speak better, pronounce words clearly, and understand English sounds. It's like being a shadow following every move. Here's how you can use this video. 1. First, listen to me as I read a story. You will see the words on the screen. 2. Then, repeat after me. Try to copy my voice and rhythm. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The more you practice, the better you get. Before we start, let me tell you why I chose today's story. I heard it recently, and I thought it would be perfect for you. It's interesting and simple. Today's story is about Sarah, a young woman who traveled to the United States for the first time. The story is written in easy English, so you can focus on both meaning and practice. I will read the story slowly and clearly. You will see the text on the screen. After that, you will get the chance to repeat each sentence with me. This way, you will practice listening, speaking, and reading at the same time. Are you ready for Sarah's story? Let's begin. The story. I am at the airport and I feel excited. Today is the day. I am flying to New York City for the first time. I have my ticket, my passports, and my bags ready. I go to the check-in desk and give my ticket to the lady. She smiles and says, "Here is your boarding pass. You are in seat 17C. Have a good flight." "Thank you," I say. A window seat. Perfect. I love looking out the window when I fly. I go through security, and the line is long. Finally, I get to the gate and wait to board the plane. After some time, the announcement comes. Flight 567 to New York is now boarding. My heart races. This is it. I find my row. Someone is sitting in my seat. It is a man in a blue jacket. I say, "Excuse me, sir. This is my seat." He looks at his ticket and says, "My ticket says 17A2. I show him my ticket with confidence. He smiles kindly and says, "Okay, no problem. You can sit here." I thank him and take the window seat. Later, the flight attendant comes and says, "There's been a mistake. Your seat is 17C, the all seat." My face turns red. I realize I was wrong. The man was right all along. But he stayed kind and calm. I feel embarrassed, but also grateful. This story teaches us something important. It is okay to make mistakes. What matters is kindness and patience. Lesson from the story. Sarah thought she was in the right seat, but she was wrong. The man showed kindness and patience. This teaches us an important lesson. It is okay to make mistakes. What matters is how we react and how kind we are to others. Learning English is just like this trip. Mistakes happen, but they help us improve. Keep trying and stay positive. Every step takes you closer to your goal. Now, let's review some useful phrases and words from Sarah's story. "Excuse me, this is my seat." "Let me check my ticket." "Have a good flight." Vocabulary, boarding pass, the ticket you need to get on the plane. Window seat, middle seat, aisle seat, 3 types of seats on a plane. Security check, where airport staff check your bags and ID. Gate, the area where you wait to board. Polite phrases, don't worry about it. Mistakes happen. Enjoy your trip. Practice time, repeat after me. "Excuse me, this is my seat." "Let me check my ticket." Don't worry about it. Mistakes happen. Great job. Closing. Thank you for practicing with me today. You can watch this video many times to practice shadowing. It will help you speak more clearly and with confidence. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, learning English is not only about words, it's about connecting with people. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. Subscribe. See you in the next video.